One of my favorite things to make and drink every single day is a fantastic green smoothie. There are 6 simple ingredients in this smoothie. It is chock full of vitamins, minerals. It helps to hydrate you, full of chlorophyll, all kinds of yummy good stuff for your body. And in this video, I'm going to show you how I prep for smoothies for the week. So all I have to do is dump it in my trusty Vitamix blender back there and then just drink and enjoy it throughout the day. This is a complete meal for me. It's my breakfast and lunch. So let's get into the video. I'll show you how I do this.